therapeutic index of the drug. So therapeutic index basically tells about the safety of a drug. So formula wise, you can say it as, write it as toxic dose 50 again, it's a population concept, by the effective dose 50, or else you can even take it to the, change the concept to from toxic dose to lethal dose. So again we go to the lethal median dose, and if you go for the lethal one, then the formula becomes lethal dose 50 by effective dose 50. Let's say the drug is toxic at 10 milligram and the effective dose was 2 milligram. So 5 times the effective dose is a lethal dose. I mean the toxic dose. And let's say it becomes lethal at 20 milligram and the effective dose was 10 milligram. So at 2 times the effective dose, the drug can turn into a lethal dose. So if this is drug A and this is drug B, which drug has more safety margin? Which has more safety margin? Drug A or this is drug B? A. If one in if the safety margin for drug A is 5 times to the toxic dose, it means that, let's say if one tablet is 2 mg, I take 5 tablet, then I go into toxicity. Here the effective dose is 10 mg, so this is one tablet, let's say.